All right, guys, as we discussed yesterday, here I can see from here to this level, this is all a buyer territory, and that was our session from it is high, and this is the low. But today market opened exactly near session a lower point, and suddenly price dropped and again bounced from this area. But two things here we must know that first, price exactly open near session area, and after that break this session, that means the seller power activated. But here you can see another, that was buyer territory. From here even price broke this buyer territory, so that is why we was not looking for buy. So after that price goes up to this level, but I was not interested, because when price doing this type of market behavior, like it is called panic. All right, so when this type of panic forming, so we have to observe. All right, it is a panic sell-off or it's going to change the trend. So later here you can see after that price goes to this level again sharp toward the downside, toward the north, and price hold in this area again, create a new, means here I can see still seller power are activated. So in that case we start rubber band man from this area. Okay, let me show you how exactly I use rubber band man. Okay, now you can see this is a 1 minute chart. So we use pullback area in a 1 minute chart. So you can see already they place a downtrend. All right, as I discussed, goes down, not able to break high, again goes down, and then now it's a rubber band man. We start a rubber band man from this area. All right, he's running toward the north. Okay, so we confirm that market is running in a downtrend because they broke this buyer territory and that session also. That is why seller activated. All right, so from here I can see from here rubber band man start in a 1 minute time frame, start running from this area. So first he run very fast and take little bit rest, again run and broke this previous record. All right, again pull back, again run, he broke previous record little bit. So after that he take a rest. All right, first he almost take 20 to 30% rest in this area. So next he almost take rest 40% almost here, and from here to here 100% rest. So once they form, we are ready to enter in the downside because we confirm that downtrend will start now. Okay, now you can see here. So after that again goes but not able to break this high, again pull back, again goes little bit sideways, sideways, sideways. So we was looking for a price action method, which means we need a lower low, but price not able to form lower low, not able to form lower low, not able to form lower low. No, the finally price bouncing off this supply zone. So once price hit this supply zone and create a new lower low, have you seen? That was previous low and that created a new lower low, and once again price goes a little bit here, and that was our entry point. All right, that was our entry point, first entry point. Okay, let me show you. And we place 1:3 ratio because first somewhere here 1:2. So I just placed 50 rupees my target, and 150 was my target. So here I can see, and finally we got the target. All right, so again now I can see a price drop here, again pull back, goes up, pull back, but finally they not able to create from a doji pattern. That was our entry point because we're focusing on a sell side only, 1:3, 1:3 only. So once they form, not able to create higher high, we place 50 rupees SL and 150 target. Just a minute, 150 target somewhere there. Okay, somewhere here. That was our next trade. and only 2 trade was here. Okay, so I was not expect that price will drop that much, but I placed 2 trade only in a downside. So why I placed downside? Because they already seller are dominating the buyer, so that is why we placed uh, uh, sell over. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.